Cap here, 26 for just do the tips and repairs, and um, somebody suggested showing the repair finished, and good suggestion. Thank you for giving me the heads up on that. This is the green stuff. It comes in a tube. You can get it on eBay. I'm sorry. Let's turn it around here so you can see it. I think I showed you this in the other video, but you want to use tools like this. You can also find these on eBay, and those are very small detailing tools. So you can fix the hand. I fixed the hand right there on this model, and then I gave it a clear coat. So I wanted to show you that. So you need the tools, and you need the green stuff. The green stuff shapes well with a little bit of water. I just dip the tool in the water, and then you can go in there and detail the part you want to make. So I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching. Ring the little bell for more videos. Have a great day.